Every unforgettable event starts with the perfect space. Welcome to the DCN Karen Multi-Purpose Hall and Grounds, where moments become milestones. Looking for a venue that elevates your event? You've just found it. Big dreams need the right environment. Step into a hall built for impact. From weddings, conferences, to team buildings, this is the venue that brings your vision to life.
Conveniently located 500 meters from the main transport stage and 100 meters from the main road. We're easy to find and ready to host your next big occasion.
Our venue sits in one of Nairobi's most convenient and serene locations, right next to the Hub Karen, beside Karen Police Station, and surrounded by beautiful natural scenery. It offers the perfect blend of accessibility, safety, and a refreshing environment for any event.
Step into our spacious 50 by 20 A-frame tent, bright, airy, and fully equipped with sound, lighting. Actually, let me show you. So, this is our ample seating space, and as you can see, our lighting. Let me take you to the stage. We talked about sound. Thinking of having those panel discussions? We got you covered. Our very comfortable stools. Perfect for your weddings, live performances, and conferences. Well, for smaller gatherings, we have 6 meeting rooms and a modern boardroom. Let me show you our boardroom. Our amazing admin is here to serve you in whichever way you may need her. Hi, Matred.
Hi, Celine.
Well, let's see the boardroom. As you serve yourself a cup of coffee, this place is ideal for private events, workshops, and team sessions. Also, enjoy the stable internet. Perfect. And we have our audiovisual aid, perfect for your presentations during your board meetings or those particular meetings that you have. We have consistent water supply, power backup, and let me show you the washroom. Ladies, I know you're so keen about your hygiene and your mirrors. We got you covered. Just look at this mirror. And the water. Sure.
In summary, an A-frame tent with a full stage, backed by 5 modern meeting rooms, including a polished boardroom, well-manicured grounds, ample parking, and easy access from the main road, stable internet, reliable power backup, and in-house catering and decor to elevate any occasion. Need media? We offer photography, live streaming, big screens, plus a full band setup with professional sound.
At Deliverance Ngong Road Church Hall, we don't just host events, we help you create an experience that lasts. Talk to us today and let's make your next event extraordinary.